stage is all set to unfold a celebration of joy, colors, and splendor.
You are requested to switch off your mobile phones or keep them on silent mode for the remainder of the evening. Parents, you are requested to collect your children from the respective classrooms only at the end of the entire program.
Please take note of the assigned classrooms for the respective programs. Welcome song, KG2B, Rhythm of Flute, KG2A and KG2C, prize winners, KG1D, Heavenly Stars, KG1F and KG1H, The Silly Rainbow, KG2F, KG2G and KG2H, Beach Bubblers, KG1A and KG1B, The Rhyme Time, KG1C and KG1E, Desi Dhamaka, KG2D and KG2E, Coronation, KG HOD Room.
Every good and perfect gift is from above. Let us begin today's program by invoking the presence of the Almighty. You are requested to rise as the prayer is rendered.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين صدق الله العظيم.
A very warm greeting once again. I'm Linu.
And I am Kripa.
And we are your hosts for today evening. We are indeed thrilled to take you all on an eventful and exhilarating, intoxicating, exciting and fun-filled
ride. As you can see, she got a little carried away with the excitement. But one can't blame her because in a little while, you are going to witness a beautiful array of angels, bumblebees, little colorful friends from the ocean bed, folk dancers, and whatnot.
We are indeed glad to welcome in our midst Principal Mr. Isaac Thurian, our chief guest for the evening, Mr. Jose Alex, Director, Rajguri Group of Institutions, Cochin, Guest of Honor, Mr. George Vargas, Financial Advisor, Rajguri Group of Institutions, Managing Director, Mr. Jacob George, Academic Administrator, Ms. Asma Umar, Vice Principal, Ms. Lata Matthew, Administrator, Ms. Raiji Dennison, Head of Kindergarten, Ms. Kajal Musa, Head of Primary, Ms. Suja Santosh, other members of the management, parents, well-wishers and students. Your presence here is what adds color to the evening.
I now invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Lata Matthew, to deliver the welcome address.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Aptly describe the joy we feel on witnessing every small act of our little ones. Good evening to all of you. On the occasion of the grand finale of the Little Kingdom Carnival 2015-16, it is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to this glittering evening. I would like to welcome our chief guest for the evening, Mr. Jose Alex, Director, Rajgiri Group of Institutions, who has flown in from India for the occasion. Sir, we welcome you with a floral tribute. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. George Verghese, Financial Advisor, Rajagiri Group of Institutions, who has also come from India to grace our program. Today marks the climax of year-long competitions in various activities in which our toddlers from Little Kingdom have participated enthusiastically with the utmost support and cooperation of our parent community. It also gives us an opportunity to bring to you a medley of performances put together by our students for your entertainment. Your presence here this evening is a great source of encouragement for us, especially for our little performers, and we truly appreciate your being here. We are sure the program designed for the evening will evoke feelings of joy now and form a part of sweet memories for you and your children in the years to come. Once again, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to all of you. Thank you.
I now request all the dignitaries present to join together in the lighting of the lamp.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Our Vice Principal,
असतो
the profile of our chief guest.
Mr. Jose Alex started his career as the principal of Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Kochi. He also served as a guide for the PhD program in social work and was a syndicate member of the MJ University, Kottayam, Kerala. He served as the chairman of the Rajagiri institutions for a decade. Currently, in addition to serving as director of the Rajagiri School of Engineering and Management Studies, he expanded his services as director for the Rajagiri Medical College as well. We are indeed honored to have such a distinguished educationist in our midst this evening to grace the program. Sir, on behalf of the management and staff of Rajagiri Public School, I request you to kindly address the gathering.
A very good evening to all of you. Dear Mr. George Jacob, Managing Director, Mr. Isaac Tarail, the Principal, distinguished members of the faculty, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and pleasure to be speaking to you on the second anniversary of Rajagiri Public School. In a short span of 2 years, the school has made tremendous progress and is well on its way to setting new standards in the field of primary and secondary education. Its infrastructure, its curriculum, the quality of teaching, and all match with the best that is available, and that is why so many of you parents have entrusted your children with us. We respect the trust you have responded in us, and we assure you that your children will excel not only in the formal education environment but also beyond the confines of the classroom as they learn to engage with the social world around them. This brings us to an important question. How can we best prepare our youngsters for the 21st century? There are conflicting opinions about what the school education should focus on in the minds of parents. Together, we must create a synergy that will sustain the healthy environment and teaching and living in our campus. May I wish a great success in future and wish you all best wishes, thanks, and also may God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for imparting your words of wisdom with us, and also for reiterating the fact that education must be holistic in its truest sense. We, the teachers of Rajagiri, hope and pray that we can grow to be teachers that our children will remember all through their life. And now, we have the children of KG2 welcoming you all on their behalf with the song, "We Will Sing Till the End of Day."